Smokey Peach Barbecue. Today, guys, we're going to be doing chicken wings on the smoker using Louisiana hot sauce. We're going to use our AP Elk Creek, and we're going to use Kosmos wing dust lemon pepper. Let's get started. Okay, we went to the store and got a family pack of chicken wings, and basically you got the tip, you got the flat, and you got the drumette all in one. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it down here. We're going to cut off the tip, which you don't need. You'll throw that piece away. And then we're going to come in and we're going to cut just right down the seam on the wing, the drum, and the flat. That's all you got to do. You're ready to rock. Okay, we're going to get all these finished up, and we'll see you shortly. Okay, we've got everything cut up. Next step in the process, once you get them cut up, dry it off a little bit, get them a little bit dry. We're going to come on with our Louisiana hot sauce. And what we're going to do is we're just going to put it on each one of them. Drizzle a little bit on all of them. Then we're going to put them over in a little bowl. We're going to mix them up. And then we'll put them back out on the board here. And then we'll season them up. And we'll get them on the smoker. And we will have us some chicken legs. Or chicken wings, however you want to look at it. Okay, once you get it right there, put that on. I'm going to put on a glove just for the fact that you don't want to get a lot of that hot sauce all over everything. So we're going to mix them up a little bit. We're going to throw them over here in the bowl. The reason I put on the gloves, you just don't want the hot sauce everywhere because you don't wind up touching your eye. You'll touch something that you don't want to get hot sauce on. The reason why I put it in the bowl is so I come in here, once I get it in the bowl, all I got to do is just start mixing up with my hands. Once you get it in there, basically this Louisiana hot sauce works as a binder for your seasoning that you're going to put on. So we've got it mixed up. We've got them ready to go. We're going to put them back out on the board, and then we will season them up. I'll see you in just a second. Okay, we got them mixed up. Got the hot sauce on it. We're going to take them out of the bowl, and it's got two sides. Got the meat side and got the side that's a little less meat. We're going to put that side up. We're going to season it, and then we'll put the skin side up to put it on the smoker so it'll get good and crispy. So we'll get these on. I'm putting them on racks. That way when we put them on the smoker, you don't have to put them on one at a time. You put your rack on there and you rock and roll. Okay, we've got all the Louisiana hot sauce mixed up on the wings. I use that as a binder. Next thing I'm going on with is my Elk Creek, my favorite AP rub. I've been using it for a long time. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to come on with Kosmos wing dust. This is a lemon pepper. We're going to put it on top. Okay, we've got our wings out. We're going to go on with our Elk Creek. I put the skin side down so that I can put the rubs on the top. We'll turn them over. That way when the skin side's up, when you put them on the smoker, they will be easier to crisp. So we're just going to come on here, like I say, 6 to 8 inches above. Okay, we got our first layer. And you notice I put that on just really kind of light. I don't want a lot of salt, pepper, garlic on that. But I'm going to come on with the wing dust. And I took my wing dust and put it in a little jar that I just ordered so I can put my stuff in. Easier to sprinkle on that way. You'll come on with it a little more liberal because that's where the flavor is going to come from, is your lemon pepper. So that's what we're going for today, is a lemon pepper. And there again, we're 6 to 8 inches above the meat so that you get a good coverage. Okay, we're going to let this set for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to turn them over and we'll do the exact same thing again. Okay, we've got them turned over. We're going to do the exact same thing we did just a few minutes ago. We're going to go on with our Elk Creek AP rub. Now I'm gonna do it a little heavier on the skin side because when it crisps up, this salt and this salt, pepper, garlic will help that skin crisp. So I'm gonna go a little bit heavier on the skin side. Now, like I say, we dried these off before we put the Louisiana hot sauce on there, so everything would be good, but the Louisiana hot sauce works as a binder to help our rub stick. Go with our AP, then we're gonna come back on with our lemon pepper wing dust from Kosmos. Come on, man. There we go. And we're going to put it on about like we did on the other side because you're still going to get the same amount of flavor out of it. Now we are ready to go to the smoker. Before we head to the smoker, we're going to let this set up for just a couple of minutes so that we can incorporate all them flavors to suck inside that chicken so that it'll be ready to go. So we're going to let it set for a minute or two. We'll be ready to rock and roll. I'll see you at the smoker. Okay, we're out at the smoker. Today we're using our Traeger Pro 575. Like I say, I do a lot of smoking on my Traeger. I sure like it. We're heating it up to 275. We're going to leave them over for an hour 10, hour 20, or until they get to be 165. So we're going to put them on right now. Let's get them on here. And I put them on them trays. It's just easier to put them on and take them off. So get them on, go from there. We're going to leave them on, go for a little bit. Girls, what do y'all think about it up here? You think this will be good? Hey, that's better. That's what I thought. Okay, we're out at the smoker. The great thing about smoking the way we do is you can change the rules in the middle. Half of these are ready, half of them are not quite ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the half that are ready, we're going to put them in a pan. We're going to come on with a little bit of the Asian zing sauce. The others we're just going to leave naked when they get ready. So I'm going to take these off that are ready. I'm going to put them in the pan. We'll spread them out there a little bit. We're going to take a little bit of this Asian zing sauce. And we're just going to drizzle. We're going to drizzle. We're going to put them back on the smoker. Move this to this side right here where the heat's at. Put this on this side right here so they can heat up. We'll be back in about 15 minutes to check on everything. Once it's all said and done, we'll take them to the house and we'll get a bite. Okay, we're out here at the grill right now. We're fixing to take these chicken wings off. Put my gloves on because they're going to be plenty warm. And like I showed y'all a while ago, is we sauced a few, put them in the sauce, put them in there. They'll look delicious. And we left some of them naked, so we're going to take them off. There's what we got right there. That's a good looking piece of wing. We'll shut everything up. We're going to go in the house. We'll let them cool down for a few minutes and we'll get us a bite. We'll see y'all inside. Hey everybody, we're back inside. We've got the chicken wings that are naked, which have the AP on them, which is our Elk Creek, and then have the Kosmos wing dust on them, which is a lemon pepper. We also have some that we've got the AP and the wing dust. Then we come on with a little Asian zing. So we got two different flavors on, two different styles. And the great thing about the way we cook is we can change it in the middle and nobody cares because we like what we do. So we're going to sit here. We're going to let them cool for just a second. We're fixing to take a bite. But I'm telling you, the smell on this is unbelievable. I'm just going to take a bite now. So let's get this right here. This got a little bit of the Asian zing on it, along with the AP and the wing dust from Kosmos. So let's get us a bite right here. Great flavor. That zing gives it a little bit of kick. That wing dust gives it a bite. That's a good wing right there. That is, I'd come back for that more than once. Y'all go and like and subscribe and hit that bell so that when we make a video, you hear that ding, ding, ding. Y'all go on and you get what we've got right there. Y'all come back and see us now here.